How to find TikTok's stream key on your mobile phone. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can easily find the TikTok stream key on your phone. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok, and then from here you just have to head over to your profile section. The first thing you need to check is the eligibility of your account. So you have to ensure that your TikTok account meets the eligibility criteria for streaming. Usually you need a certain number of followers. Often it's capped to 1,000 followers or more and have to be at least 18 years old in some regions. And also you need to have the live access feature on your TikTok. Now, if you have all of those criteria met, then you just have to head over to the live section. You see the plus icon on the bottom right here and just tap on it to head over to your live section. And it should look something like this where you have an option to go live. So go ahead and swipe to go live. Then you'll have to prepare your live stream. You have to set up a live stream detail like your title, cover photo, and more. And if the stream key option is not visible, you have to ensure that your account has enabled the external streaming then you'll have to request the stream key for a streaming software. You have to look for an option like broadcast to PC, connect to streaming software, or go live with OBS. TikTok will display your server URL and stream key. You just have to copy the detail to use in your streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs. Then you have to check TikTok Studio if available. TikTok has this desktop app provided, and that might show your stream key directly. You just have to download and log into your TikTok credentials and access it. But if none of that works, then what you need to do is go back to your TikTok account, tap on the three lines, and then head over to settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see report a problem. Just tap on it. And here you are just going to briefly explain that your TikTok stream key is not available to you and you cannot find it. Then TikTok's help and support team will contact you within a few days and they should bring out with a possible solution. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.